What changes after you add it to the app gift transfer card? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. To transfer a Chick-fil-A gift card balance onto a Chick-fil-A digital gift card, which is a digital card available on your Chick-fil-A One account. And to do that, you can log into your account. Select account at the top right corner of your screen. Select payment and subscriptions and then select add funds. Select the option to transfer a gift card and enter the gift card number and PIN. At this time, we do not accept third-party gift cards to be transferred to a Chick-fil-A A1 digital gift card as well. Make sure it's Chick-fil-A A1 digital gift card. And this is what changes after you add it to your app gift card transfer in Chick-fil-A. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.